Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel, Beauty with a Hammer. I'm Carla and today I have a great beauty video for you today. Today I am going to be trying on two different mascaras, one from Thrive Cosmetics and one from Maybelline. And so I'm going to be trying these two out for you guys. I've been seeing these mascaras all over social media. I'm always looking for a great mascara. As you can see, homegirl barely got any lashes here. So without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, guys, so first of all, I want to show you guys the package that Thrive Cosmetics sent me. Now, I have been seeing this mascara all over social media. Every time I'm on my Instagram feed, I've been seeing this mascara. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen the video of the women that barely have any lashes and then they end up with like big old lashes, you know, that you can fan people with and like they feel the breeze. But I was like, could this be too good to be true? I don't know. We are going to find out today. I'm going to find out for you, and I'm going to make sure that if this is something that doesn't work, that you don't spend your hard-earned cash on this. The second mascara I'm going to be trying out for you guys is this one from Maybelline. It's called the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I believe that these two are promising about the same thing. Now, of course, Thrive Cosmetics is a more expensive mascara. I did buy this online for about $28, and this is a store-bought drugstore mascara that cost me about $8 or $9. And so I'm gonna be trying these out. Is this a dupe of this? I will find out. So Thrive Cosmetics did send me a really cute makeup bag, and it says she needed a hero, so that's what she became. Look how cute that is. So this came free with my purchase of my mascara, so I thought that was really cute. Y'all, I have like no mascara on right now, as you can tell. These little lashes are barely there. Sometimes I'm like, do I even got lashes up in there? But I do have some. As you can see, they're real tiny. Have some lashes, okay? I've tried all kinds of things. I've tried lash extensions. I've tried Lash Boost to help my lashes grow, which Lash Boost does work. I just stopped using it, and of course your lashes, if you stop using it, they're gonna stop growing. And of course I also use Falsies. I love my false lashes. I really am looking for a mascara that I can wear to work, make my lashes long, and you know, that it looks like homegirl got lashes to begin with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be trying on the Thrive Cosmetics mascara on one side and the Maybelline on the other side, just to see how they compare against each other, okay? So one thing I am gonna do is I'm going to be using a lash curler. Now look how cute this one is. This one is from Tweezerman, and I bought this at Walgreens. It was about $15. And it comes with extra little pads in here. And this is their rose gold edition. So, I mean, who don't love rose gold? This is so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to curl my lashes. One of the tricks I like to do when I'm curling my lashes is I'll take a hairdryer on the warm setting. Now, I want to emphasize you want to do this on the lowest setting possible, or if not, you're going to burn your eyelid off. And as y'all can see, my little lashes are poking out, okay? So already you can tell a difference from this eye to this eye with the lash curler, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat on this side what I did on this side. So at this point, I have curled my lashes. As you guys can see, they're a little bit more visible. They're not pointing down. They finally got directions and started pointing the right direction. So you can kind of see them. They're tiny. They're there, but I got them, okay? And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try on the mascaras. Now, I'm going to go ahead and try on the mascara from Maybelline. This is what the mascara looks like here. The brush looks like there. And one of the things I like to do when I'm taking mascara out is I will go like this so that the product doesn't all come out all super clumpy right here. And so I'm gonna be working with a cleaner brush on the top. So applying your mascara at the base, you kind of want to do a wiggling motion like this. And as you can see, I'm kind of wiggling the wand back and like kind of like in a ziggy zaggy form there. I'm not really impressed, y'all. This is what one coat of mascara with the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift looks like. Y'all, I am not impressed. My lashes already began to start falling down and they did not do much of lifting anything. This is what the mascara looks like. As you guys can see, it has a really pretty design on the outside, but I'm really excited to see if this is actually something that works, y'all. Like, if it doesn't, I'm gonna be so sad. But okay, here it goes. Oh, this looks different. Let's see what happens. At the base, I'm gonna go ahead and work this product in. I'm not really impressed. Not at all. Ooh. So you can definitely tell it made it darker. But as far as length or anything, they be lying. Y'all, I'm so sad. I was really hoping that this would have been like a miracle mascara. I don't think either one of them is worth it. Not for what they're saying that they're gonna do. Don't spend your money on any of these. I'm gonna try to curl them a little bit. Maybe they just need a little help. Let me see. So I recurled this eye, the one with the Maybelline side, with my lash curler. Gave it a little bit of help. And you can definitely see a lot more of my lashes at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and recurl the right side with the one with the Thrive Cosmetics and see if you guys can tell a difference there. So there you go. I have recurled the Thrive Cosmetics one. And really, I think this is the tool that made the trick. This is what makes my lashes like stay up, like yes sir, like, you know, I'm gonna stick. And I think it's because of this. It's not so much the mascara that I used on my eyes. Really, I think it's the lash curler. And so as you guys can see, once I applied the mascara, this eye is actually, these lashes are actually sticking up a lot more than the Thrive Cosmetics side. And so I would definitely tell you this is not something worth purchasing. And if you want to try this mascara, you can. I don't see anything special or different about it. And so if you want to give it a go, I would say go, but you are just good by buying any drugstore mascara. All right, guys, as always, I enjoy making this video for you guys. I'm really sad that none of this stuff was a wow factor, but I'm glad that I could help you guys so that you don't spend your hard-earned cash on any of these products. And now, don't forget to watch some of my other videos. I'm going to be putting some more videos here, and don't forget to click on one of these videos. If you enjoyed this video, I have some great videos for you guys I'm sure you're going to enjoy. I do post new videos every Thursday, so don't forget to keep coming back. All right, guys, until next time, bye.